Hello guys, welcome to my new video. Today I have brought 10 amazing kitchen cooking tools from Amazon that are very necessary for your kitchen and will help you save time, so don't drag the video. Watch the whole video, and if you like the video, subscribe and click the bell icon to get more new videos. So guys, let's start the video. Jar spatula. Set includes small spatula, jar spatula. Small spatula is ideal for use with saucepans and small mixing bowls. Jar spatula reaches into skinny jars, blenders, food processors, and other tight spaces to clear out ingredients. Flexible edges are polished and beveled to get every bit from bowls and jars. Long handles have a sturdy nylon core and soft, non-slip grip. Non-scratch, heat-resistant silicone construction is dishwasher safe. Potato masher. High-quality stainless steel material. Made of high-quality stainless steel heavy materials and have the ability to resist stains, corrosion, and deformation, it is very durable. Easier for you to prepare food for Thanksgiving and Christmas. Ergonomic handle design. Extended handle measures 11.5 inches, 29 centimeters long, designed for easy leverage so you feel very comfortable to use. No need to quarter or half cut the potatoes. Extra large bowl can handle large potatoes for nearly 3 cups. No need to slice the potato in half anymore. Put it all in, simply press the lever and done. Jar vacuum sealer. Suitable for 2 types of mason jars. The electric mason jar vacuum sealer contains 2 sizes of mouth seals for your daily use. To get the standard mouth seal jar, simply insert the red arrow on the standard mouth seal converter. Align it with the unlock symbol on the main unit, and then insert it inside the silicone ring in the wide mouth seal area and tighten it clockwise. At this point, the arrow is aligned with the lock symbol, which indicates a successful installation. For all your vacuum sealing needs, includes an electric vacuum sealer containing a wide mouth sealer, a standard mouth seal converter, 5 wide mouth mason jar lids, and 5 regular mouth mason jar lids, and user guide. Our food vacuum sealer kit will help you remove the air from your mason jars and extend the life of your stored food. Easy to use, the cordless vacuum sealer with standard mouth sealer converter kit is suitable for wide mouth and regular mouth mason jars not included. Make sure the electric vacuum sealer is centered and pressed firmly against the lid of the jar. Vegetable peelers. Peelers for kitchen set include the 3-in-1 multifunctional Y vegetable peeler and I potato peelers. Upgrade precision stainless steel blades, stronger and sharper, smooth effortless peeling. Gank 3-in-1 vegetable peelers, standard blades, suitable for peeling hard peel. Serrated blade is more suitable for peeling soft fruit peel or smooth hard peel. As tomato apple peeler. Julienne peeler, Julienne carrot for make veggie salt have never been so simple. Nylon meat masher. Easily cook ground beef and ground turkey with this multifunctional meat chopper utensil. The 5-blade design lets this hamburger meat chopper double as a masher. Quickly mix and mash softer cooked foods like potatoes, yams, pumpkin, squash, rutabagas, turnips, parsnips, carrots, apples, bananas, and more. Heat resistant. The oversized BPA-free nylon head is heat resistant up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, making it a safe tool for cooking ground meat, potatoes, and other hot foods. Safe to use on all types of cookware, including non-stick and coated. Chicken shredder. Upgraded chicken shredder. Compared with the old chicken shredder, we have changed the inner shred structure and strong anti-slip strip, more effective and saves time. We do not worry about sliding away from our kitchen desks again. The flower appearance design and the transparent lid add polka dots seem like a beautiful flower to bloom. Shredded meat in seconds. The meat machine built-in plastic teeth that cover the whole area, which can tightly clamp the food. The lid has extra spikes on the edge, which help meat gather the shredded meat in the middle, cutting it evenly. The tool is applied with an ergonomic handle and an anti-slip base, ensuring comfort and easy operation, even during heavy use. These updated structure designs can make your cooking tasks more efficient. Jar vacuum sealer. Suitable for 2 types of mason jars. The electric mason jar vacuum sealer contains 2 sizes of mouth seals for your daily use. To get the standard mouth seal jar, simply insert the red arrow on the standard mouth seal converter. Align it with the unlock symbol on the main unit, and then insert it inside the silicone ring in the wide mouth seal area and tighten it clockwise. At this point, the arrow is aligned with the lock symbol, which indicates a successful installation. For all your vacuum sealing needs, includes an electric vacuum sealer containing a wide mouth sealer, a standard mouth seal converter, 5 wide mouth mason jar lids, and 5 regular mouth mason jar lids, and user guide. Our food vacuum sealer kit will help you. Kitchen mat. Premium material. Matitude kitchen mat is manufactured from superior material that is safe to your family. Premium material withstand the test of time and help keep their shape, even with extended and heavy use. Comfortable. The 0.40 inches anti-fatigue kitchen mats are ergonomically engineered to provide a perfect blend of soft texture and firm support. Standing on it feels like walking on a firm but soft cloud. Classic and versatile. The 2-pack rugs for kitchen are measured as 17.3 into 47 inches and 17.3 into 29 inches in dimension. The pattern and color complement kitchen nicely and make the foam mats perfect for home or commercial use. Hand blender. Hand blender set. The 7-in-1 immersion blender set comes with 2 blades, stainless steel 4-leaf blade and ice crusher blade, and features unique bell guard that safeguards non-stick cookware from scratches and reduced suction, prevents food splatters. Emulsions blender also includes 500 milliliter chopper, 20-aughts measuring cup, whisk, milk frother, accessories holder, and 5 feet power cord. Powerful performance and durable. 800-watt, heaviest dust copper motor paired with 2 professional titanium steel 4-blade and ice crush blade rotation system can handle the toughest blending tasks effortlessly. Oil sprayer. Lifetime assurance. We stand behind the quality of our olive oil dispenser bottle. If you're unsatisfied or face any issues, contact us anytime. We offer lifetime support to ensure you're fully satisfied with this essential kitchen essential. Dual dispensing. This 2-in-1 oil dispenser and oil sprayer allows you to spray or pour with ease. It's a versatile oil dispenser bottle spray and pour solution, keeping your kitchen. Electric pepper and salt grinder. Automatic operation. Our electric pepper and salt grinder with gravity sensor switch, you even needn't to press a button. Simply flip the grinder and you will have fresh ground spices, convenient and funny. Battery powered. Each grinder requires 6 AAA batteries not included. Adjustable grinder. Many grinding levels for your choice allows you to grind your spices from coarse to fine. Electric pepper and salt grinder. Use a high-quality ceramic rotor. You can choose the coarseness of your spice, salt, or pepper by turning adjustment knob at the head of the grinder. Wide applicability. The electric grinder is suitable for pepper, salt, and other solid grain seasonings. Battery-powered, convenient and fast, you can use it anytime and anywhere. This grinder is the good helper for kitchens, restaurants, parties, and outdoor picnics.